Arav, from dust to destiny, a cricket dream that will inspire you. Ever felt like your dreams are too big for your circumstances? His bat was a broken stick. His pitch? A dusty street. But his dreams, they were made for stadium lights. Get ready to witness a story that will ignite your passion and prove that anything is possible. In a small village far from the glittering world of fame, lived a boy named Arav. He wasn't born into luxury, and he certainly didn't have access to fancy coaching academies. But Arav possessed something far more valuable, an unyielding fire in his heart, a burning desire to become a cricketer. This isn't just a story, it's a testament to the power of dreams. We want to show you that where you come from doesn't define where you are going. While others peacefully slept, Arav woke up religiously at 5 a.m. each day. He had no helmet to protect him, no fancy shoes to aid his performance. Just a hand-carved pad, worn with youth, and an unshakable belief in his eyes. This is the story of a true underdog. He walked a staggering 8 kilometers every day, not to attend school but for a single, precious chance to prove himself at a city cricket club. This journey was his training, his sacrifice, and his unwavering commitment. He faced failure, not just once, but repeatedly. He failed once, and he failed again. But he kept showing up, dusting himself off, and pushing forward with renewed determination. Because winners aren't the ones who never fall, they're the ones who rise every single time, stronger and more resilient than before. Arav's story is a reminder that consistency is the key. Then came the turning point. One match. One vacant spot on the team. One golden opportunity to change his destiny forever. This was his moment to shine. Arav stepped onto the field wearing his worn-out shoes, a symbol of his humble beginnings. And he stepped off the field having scored an incredible 96 not out, a knock that echoed with the sound of dreams realized. That single knock changed everything for Arav. A coach, recognizing his raw talent and unwavering spirit, noticed him. The daily grind transformed into structured guidance. And the boy with no gear finally received his first cricket jersey, a symbol of belonging and hope. Years later, the entire world watched in awe as Arav proudly wore the India jersey. He stood tall, not just as a cricketer, but as a powerful reminder that dreams don't come with conditions or prerequisites. They come with consistency, unwavering belief, and the courage to chase them relentlessly, no matter the obstacles. Arav's journey is a beacon of hope for aspiring athletes everywhere. Today, Arav dedicates his time to training young players who come from similar backgrounds, players who have nothing but a dream, just like he once did. He shares his wisdom and experience, guiding them on their own paths to greatness. And he always tells them, with unwavering conviction, you don't need perfect conditions to succeed. You need an unstoppable mindset, a burning desire, and the courage to never give up. Remember Arav's story. From dusty street to stadium lights, greatness is always within your reach. You just have to believe in yourself and chase it with everything you've got. Cricket bat and ball sparkles. Ready to chase your own dreams? Share this video to inspire someone today. Subscribe for more stories of inspiration and leave a comment below telling us what dream you are chasing. Let's build a community of dreamers.